This is gonna be my turbo. Okay, it's a TX28. Can't wait to have it installed. I'm over here, I gotta get my turbo installed. Hey man, what's up? Yeah.
Hey dude, turbo pizza? Okay, good deal. What's this on the game?
Yeah, I already took off the bumper. And I got that zip tie. That's easier, right?
High performance effect.
Yeah.
I like this hood. Does it take off a lot of weight or what?
It's what?
The hood? Or is it?
Actually, it's just about the same as far as weight. It's more for looks, I guess.
Are those 06? The brakes?
Yeah, I think they're
08, I mean.
08, I think, the brakes. STI, right?
Yeah. Alright, not 06.
It's cool. Yeah, that's why I got them. They came with this
Yeah.
grab lights.
Where are they light though? Have you compared them to other rims?
Well, they're lighter than my stock ones. So,
And they accept the brakes.
you know, when I'm out on the tracks.
Is it a Cusco cage?
Yeah, it is. Cool. Yeah.
Pretty nice.
It's real nice. I like it.
I like it. That hood's fucking mean.
I like the color of the calipers too. It's pretty cool.
Kind of looks cool, right? I mean, it doesn't say much as far as weight, but actually it's about the same weight.
Yeah.
Barely.
Barely.
What?
That is crazy. Like, it's smashed.
I mean, to me, that's a lot of fitment because ours don't even get close to fit match. Ours are way tighter.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Mine are fine.
I didn't even know.
His are like really.
I've never seen any brakes that close to the rim.
Yeah, his are like you can barely fit a
It's
feeler
like,
gauge.
it's like 2 millimeters.
Like,
Right. But do you do that to match the Grand Light?
I just picked the color. I didn't even know what I was picking. I just
It matches that.
That's
Like,
perfect, man.
I just said, okay, I'm gonna get the bright blue, and then I
He
just
lies.
started-
He was looking at
started
color
spraying.
checks.
I just started spraying, and then it came out okay. So I'm like,
I'm glad you took this off already.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah, the
You know
intercooler's
what?
gonna go right to there. It's gonna be awesome.
this thing just comes off now. I just have like maybe two plastic pins in here
Yeah.
by the lights, and it's gonna come off.
Like that.
Well, the
Yeah, you got the screws out here.
Yeah, that's it. So,
Oh, yeah.
See, I got that zip tight, so it's all easier for you, right? Right?
Is this the Toyota kit?
Oh, what do you mean?
As
Oh,
far as the
lift shark. I think this is the what do you call it? What? 5-axis.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right?
Kind of Toyota.
Right.
That really does match perfect. That's funny. Nice.
You like it?
Yeah. Did you do the gold?
I had it powder coated. Yeah.
I do like that.
See? you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had it powder coated because you know how it comes blue.
Right.
I said I want to match the wheels.
Yeah. No.
Right on.
And gold and
Right?
white's classy.
Yeah, right.
So,
So I'm like, okay, it kind of looks good. So I think that works.
nice looking car.
are those DVAs? Are your rotors DVAs?
28?
Yeah, UVA, definitely. I kind of like the contrast. That's a must because of the sun.
Which hood is this?
AMS.
Yes.
AMS hood.
Oh, yeah.
Those come stock. These aren't stock. They come stock.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's not good. Because look, see how it twists like that? In the sun, it twists. And because the epoxy kind of
It's not straight.
is liquidy still, it'll mold to that shape.
So how do you keep that?
I would get the...
Well, actually, I got the dampers. I would install them.
There you go.
Right?
That'd be fine.
That would help, right?
Yeah, you just want equal load.
Or you could take this out.
That'll drop some weight.
Yeah, right?
Those,
Yeah.
heavier than stuff.
I know. You can feel it right here.
If it's the aluminum hood, I drop it from about a foot, and that's the best way to close it without hurting it.
Is it?
These, yeah.
Oh.
These, that smashes things, so you want to have your hands around where the hood latch is and really
Better to
spread
do
out
that.
the load. Yeah. I know it's like, oh, big fingerprints, but way better than a cracked hood.
Vents, you mean? The vents you like a vent?
I normally don't, but I like that.
Actually, the blue works really well with that.
You feel like that?
Yeah. You want to see?
It's not, well, I mean, is it going to be the same as the...
Oh, I'm talking about the...
I felt so good.
No, the tile pull off.
turbo in there. Trying to figure out
We
what,
actually packed today.
how to powder coat the turbo and stuff like that. Oh, okay. Well, what about the housing? Is it going to be...
Well, the housing, honestly, I wouldn't do it the same color as the brakes. I think it'd look bad with the Cusco in this.
Okay.
I think, dude, let's do white.
White.
No, but it's a cream.
Yeah. I mean, but that's going to be kind of hard to clean, right?
If it's
White.
Or we could do a gloss
Yeah,
black.
that's
Gloss black always looks really good.
Black. But then it's hard to
Where
see.
you at?
To polish.
Polish it, right? But then it won't really stand out as far as, you know, everything is black.
You're going to have whatever color we choose here,
Uh-huh.
and then do you want to powder coat the intercooler or polish it? It comes mostly polished. We just have to repolish the welds.
Are you talking about the pipes,
Intercooler
right?
piping, yeah. Because like this is going to be right about here.
Yeah, remember we were thinking about your friend. What,
Okay, the gray?
Yeah, the gray on,
Okay.
on the pipes. That just means that I can't replace them no more. I have to keep the Cusco now.
Well,
right?
the Cusco's pretty cool.
I mean, you know what I mean? Like I can't say, okay, I might get password or
Yeah.
right? Or,
Okay, password still comes in a blue,
yeah, I think so.
and it's anodized,
I
so
mean-
it'd be closer to this.
Yeah. Well, this is darker blue, though, isn't it?
It is, but when it's over here, you don't really notice, and it tends to fade into a color a lot like that.
Oh, okay. But the turbo, you can see that
Right.
standing out.
Right, but
Yeah.
we're going to hope to match that with the turbo.
I guess we're excited.
Yeah, I got the Tomioka, it's a 3-piece kit, it's nice. Which kind is it?
This is the that's why the browse considering the turbo.
Where's the
So
cooler itself?
the oil cooler itself is on this side. You can't see. You can see from in here. And there's the lines are like one is underneath and one is over. So I don't know. You have to be careful when you cut this.
Oh, well, I'll be taking the whole
Right?
thing off. Oh, that's better. You can't see the radiator from here. I mean, you got to really look for it.
Oh, right.
It's not like an Impreza where you can go where you pop the hood, there's a radiator.
Kind of sucks, right? Because then, you know, I'm saying I got.
I got this extra little bling in here.
Yeah,
you
but you
see
can't
it.
even see it.
I'm going to take a chunk like this
Okay.
out.
All right. So is it going to go all the way here, or I mean?
The core's probably going to come to that. It'd be the same core it's on mine. I didn't expect your car to be this pretty.
Really?
So here's it.
Oh, it's a Defi. Okay. The ATI has a piece. Oh, wait.
No, I thought you did.
No, I thought you were talking about the one where it's an
the
OBD
one.
reader and all that. Here.
It's a small piece, you know, and that's like what, 30 something bucks. Did you imagine just for that shit? I mean, just for that, it's like 30.
You know how much it costs to get to this point, though?
Why do you think his car is pretty?
Why do I think it's pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
You don't think it's pretty?
It's. I had to learn it through his eyes.
go. She's not used to the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Oh,
Certain-
well, the carbon fibers, aerospace race car material, that's pretty cool. And the whole black, white, and gold theme is very classic. You know, it's hard to pull off gold wheels, and white cars do it.
Well, I mean, I'm just trying to see because I mean, I can chill out here and wait.
Most of the exhaust for these cars
are like close to nothing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Most of them.
Well, it's different when you're driving it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, because he was driving it, I was just sitting there, so I was scared shitless.
Yeah.
In the passenger side.
Exactly, yeah.
But driving it
Cars
makes
fast though.
Like the vents on
Are you gonna test drive it once you install it? Okay, don't go wild.
I have to drive it harder than I think you'll ever drive it.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because if I don't test it that far, and then you take it that far, then I'm liable. So yeah, I'll take it to redline it every year. Maybe not 56. And what's nice is, as I update the tune on mine, I just call you up, come over, and I can put it in, and it'll just be faster.
Ed's bringing the
That's how you
synchros,
do it.
right?
Yeah, I have a copy of my tune. It should just plug right in. And it should be perfect. I'll
Okay.
verify it, and if I'm wrong, then I'll take it to the demo. But it should.
Because I
But
know
it's a
that's
speed density tune,
Yeah.
so it works on the volumetric efficiency of the motor. Since we have the exact same motor,
Thank
exact same turbo. Those are the two things that do it. No, neither of us has ported heads or anything like that. We have the exact same headers, exhaust, and everything. Fine. You may have a slight bit more back pressure, but that's back.
Because I know
But
that's
that
what
won't
they
affect
said,
me.
right? They said each car is supposed to have a personal too.
Yeah, like AVO and stuff will put a base map on the car that's not very good, but they're all the way in Australia. It is almost and maybe a hairboard. Yeah, 56 it might slip. If you're on the freeway and you just stomp on it, 56 every once in a while, it'll go. Yeah. What I've been trying to say is, I don't think so, but if I have to, I can. It's not
How would you know if you have to?
doing an interlock. Basically just driving along while logging it and seeing what corrections it makes. It's a really smart ECU. It's the same as the 08 STIs.
Which turbo we're putting in here?
GTX 28?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like Kevin said.
So obviously the hot side's elsewhere right now.
Wow.
But there's the build.
You know what I'm saying? So this housing should be. This is gonna be my turbo. Okay, it's a GTX 28. Can't wait to have it installed. So we can do the housing, right? Is that what we could do, or
Yeah.
powder coat this? Is it gonna be the same?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get the blue Cusco.
Yeah.
That way your rims match your brakes and your engine bay matches that. You can't see both at the same time. Should work good.
Well, now I'm gonna be popping my hood a lot.
I know that, but nobody's gonna compare your turbo housing.
Yeah, probably not.
That's that thing, and then this is that.
I think it's gonna be a separate thing.
Yeah. You shouldn't need to upgrade the turbo,
right?
This car with more than 475,
Yeah. Right.
you start breaking axles and stuff.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, the upgrades to do to this would be like a meth kit and a clutch.
Well,
Well, this one was a copy of the turbo kit that I did for the Imprezas. It used the exact same flow and everything, so it will work well, and the turbo spool's nice. It feels good.
Can't wait. You know, I mean, like it's been like 3 weeks already. You know, it's like, I mean, everything else is going on.
What else is going on?
Well, because I don't really. Well, I mean, I should enjoy driving. Right? But then, because I'm thinking about it, I actually don't want to drive it that much until I finally have the turbo.
It's gonna blow your mind.
See what I
So
mean?
fun. Yeah.
Right?
I do.
So it's
Oh,
like,
dude, I remember driving it, going, oh, it's so slow. I can't wait
See?
to turbo this thing.
see what I mean?
Uh-huh.
So I'm thinking, I think I'm already anticipating it. I'm thinking it's gonna feel different. So I'm like waiting for the turbo to come so then I can drive it more. I don't know
What
if you
is
want
it?
to make an appearance. 23rd of November. So my car should be done way before that, right? So, right? I think it's a Saturday. So that, maybe that could be the first.
I won't have tires by
That could be my first appearance right there with the whole turbo setup.
Roast all those supercharged ones. Will you take it on the track that day, or would you just have it in the show?
I'm thinking about doing the track too. That's why depending on how it turns out, like how it's running, you got to tell me though. Okay.
Oh, it would be fine.
If it's ready to track.
Yours has the oil cooler that mine doesn't even have, so you have an extra margin of safety.
You like the Evo more?
Well, right now it's faster. I don't know how it's gonna feel.
Faster.
I want to compare.
What are you gonna put in it?
What have you done to the Evo?
Just basic stuff like the straight pipe, a carry thing.
It's not too much
Reflash.
you can do to
Basic.
the turbo.
Nothing like
Nothing like that.
nothing was what I'm gonna do.
No.
And then I'm gonna compare. I'll probably take it to the track set. I hope it better be
This?
reliable.
You get the oil cooler too?
Right? I mean, I don't want to take it to the tracks and then tow it.
Like
this one here,
stomp
check
on
out.
it everywhere.
This is his kit. We already have this.
Just to be clear, the turbo kit that I showed you guys from a previous episode, I'm gonna ditch that one for a custom setup, which I'm gonna have done over here at this shop. And so that whole kit is a full-blown kit. I'm not gonna install that anymore, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started and install custom turbo kit for the FRS.